to another special edition of True Mix Masters present True Tuesdays. My name is Quentin Coles. I go by the moniker aka Mix Master Q, aka your favorite bartender's favorite bartender with bartending. This week we got another special edition. We're gonna teach you how to make an electric cherry bomb. Now let's go over the recipe that it takes to make an electric cherry bomb. We have black cherry rum, we have devil's cut Jim Beam, sweet and sour mix, grenadine, and agave. Got our ingredients out of the way. Let's make this bad boy. Recipe calls for an ounce of black cherry rum, half ounce of devil's cut Jim Beam, a squirt of agave. We're gonna fill this up to the rim with sweet and sour mix. And we're gonna just add at the end a little bit of grenadine. Now it's time to garnish. And to finish off this drink, we have a special garnish. We have sliced cherries and a raspberry on a toothpick. And that, my friends, is how you make the perfect electric cherry bomb. Yeah, for tuning in to another special edition of True Mix Masters present True Tuesdays. This is where we like to bring you a different drink each and every Tuesday. Feel free to go on our social media platforms. We on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube. Like and subscribe. Until next week, stay true, my friends.